Hello and welcome to Mrs. Toys. Today we're going to be playing with this activity desk of Peppa Pig. It's a very big kit with a lot of accessories and we're going to be making Peppa Pig food today. Let's open it and see what's inside. So we have a huge plate here. It's actually a tray. And here are all the contents outside of the box. So there are many molds. There is Play-Doh, some recipes, even plates and forks. Everything we need to make a delicious meal. Let's take a look at the different recipes. Here's the first one. We have a sandwich pizza. It tells us how to mix colors. And here we have cakes and cupcakes. We're going to start with the cupcake. Here we have a cute Peppa. We're going to add her to the cupcake and we're going to finish customizing her. And Peppa's cupcake is done. Yum, 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 yum. I love it. I think Peppa's really happy with her cupcake. Now it's time to make George's cupcake. And here's George, and we're gonna put him on the cupcake right there and finish customizing him. Yum, 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 yum. I love my cupcake. Delicious. I'm glad you like it, George. And now we're going to make all the fillings of the sandwich. Here's some delicious lettuce. And now we're going to make the mushroom. And here's the white mushroom, delicious for the sandwich. There's also a slice of tomato and some delicious Swiss cheese. It's time to assemble the sandwich. Let's start by the tomato, then the cheese, and then the lettuce, the mushroom, some more tomato, maybe some extra lettuce. And now we're gonna put the bread and our sandwich is ready and looks delicious. We're gonna put it on George's plate because he wants the sandwich. That's a very big sandwich for you, George. It's time to make the pizza. For the sauce, I made many little balls, pink and green. The pizza's almost ready. We're gonna add some toppings. It has cheese and mushrooms. And we're gonna put it on Peppa's plate because she wants the pizza. It looks absolutely delicious. Peppa and George are super happy. We're gonna make some more dessert. We'll put this delicious strawberry right here. And these grapes on the other side. And we'll also add some bananas in the back. A yummy fruit cupcake. And now we're gonna make this last pastry and you'll see that it's very easy. It was fast to make and it looks delicious. And we're gonna put it here next to Peppa. And she's also gonna have this cupcake. And Peppa and George are ready for a delicious lunch. We made a cupcake for George and also a slice of pizza. And for Peppa, it was a sandwich, also a cupcake, and let's not forget the pastry. They can't wait to try all these delicious things. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, Mrs. Toys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.